Welcome back to another video of the Chocolate Stocks, where we discuss trading strategy, due diligence, and technical analysis on individual stocks, as well as the market in general. So if you're looking for a hot stock, we can find a sweet spot. And if this is your first time at the channel, please do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button. I'm on a mission for 1,000 subscribers. It doesn't hurt you, but it sure helps us. Last but not least, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Let's get into the video, guys. And first of all, before I start, let's cue the music. All right, there we go. So, what a day, guys. What a day. We are starting to hit some type of recovery. Today, my public portfolio was up 5% for the day. I'm still down for the week. I'm still down big for the week. I'm still down maybe about 13% for the week. For the month, it's just been a wild ride. It's just been a wild ride. I'm down big for the month. That is down 18% for the month. It's been a bloody month, guys. It's been a bloody month, but I think I have an explanation for you. So the reason I want to show you this, because you're going to see a reoccurring theme with all the stocks we review today. You see this up and down pattern. This is my day today, up and down. For the week, you're going to see a downward, and then for the month is down and up and down. Okay, for 3 months, it's going to be up, down. So, yeah, I'm doing this to show that it is something going on in the market that maybe you might want to take a look at, and that is that we are in a W-shaped recovery pattern. And shout out to Chris Sane for calling this out too, another YouTuber that I trust for reliable information, and everybody who watches the channel might not watch him, so I'm relaying some things that he put on my radar, which I did my own due diligence, and so I'm going ahead and giving this information to you. But for those who don't know what a W-shaped recovery pattern is, it kind of looks like this. It is a downward motion followed by upward motion, downward motion followed by upward motion, right? All of them doesn't look like this. But what I want you to see is what's going on with our market. So if we go to the S&P 500, this is today's chart pattern. And remember, the S&P, QQQ, all of those big index funds, the NASDAQ, all of those we pretty much mimic those as the broader market. And look at the S&P's chart today, down, up, down, up. So we are in a W-shaped recovery pattern. We are making higher highs, lower lows, but it is in a W-shaped pattern, right? That's just on a micro level. That's just for today. If we zoom out, let's just zoom out 3 months. You can see a little bit more of it. Up, down, up, right? Okay, 6 months, even more evident, right? Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So let's just go ahead and do the year to date. And let's just zoom out. These are 1 day candles. You see a recurring theme? Let's just go back a little bit more, because all right, there we go. Up, down, there's your W right there. There's a W, right? Here's another one, down, up, down. You see what I'm saying? So that is the type of pattern we are on for recovery. Here's COVID. Okay, so here's the recovery. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So you need to be able to anticipate this. Since we seeing this pattern develop, look at that perfect W develop right here. We're going to develop another one here. So we're going to experience a recovery. I'm anticipating experiencing we're in a down pattern. It's going to be another recovery, but it is going to be another down pattern at some point. That's just the way our market is going to recover. So we need to be prepared for that. So you buy the dip, sell a rip. Buy the dip, sell a rip. That's how we want to dominate. All right, guys? So I just want to put that into your radar. Go ahead and research that, family. A W-shaped recovery pattern. Let's get into our plays for the week. Let's follow and see how our plays been doing. This is the double up plays that I gave you for the week. First on the list is ticker symbol INSG. INSG sitting at 932 for the day. Sunday night, 1055. Monday night, 1052. Tuesday night, 1008. Last night, 953. It is starting to recover. So, with INSG, it's something else I want to put on your radar. It is some great news alert. Oh, what do we got here? So, this came out today, March 25th. INSG WaveMaker Pro 5G Outdoor certified for use in North America and Europe. I'm not going to read into this whole thing, but some takeaways is this. INSG Corporation is the leader in 5G and IoT device-to-cloud solutions. Today announced that its WaveMaker Pro 5G Outdoor CPE FW2000E has been certified for the use in Europe and United States, including FCC band 48 support for CBRS networks and the newly auctioned C-band spectrum. Operators and enterprise users can now deploy this high-performance outdoor customer premise equipment, CPE, on their public and private networks to deliver reliable, high-speed 5G LTE connectivity, outdoor use. Oh, I can see the bull run coming. Hey, if you want to read this, go ahead and check this article out. Just Google it or hit this Yahoo Finance and INSG. If you ain't on the INSG, you should be rubbing your hands together like Birdman. Okay, let's look at the chart today. INSG and INSG. All right, guys. So let's look at the 1 day chart. INSG, you see something? Down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, guys, that is the market. Buy the dips, sell the rips. We're gonna win, baby. We're gonna win. So INSG hit a high of 967 for the day, finished at 938. All right, guys, this was the week for us. What was the sweet spot? Under $10. We got our gifts. Let's look at the 5 day chart. Let's look at the week as a whole. Oh man, we got a gift all week. Under $10. The last couple trading days. Now we're starting to see some recovery. Here's the bounce, guys. So I hope that you took this. This is the reason why in the last 2 days we had the therapy that, hey, this is the time to buy because we're about to sell these rips. These things about to rip off. That's how you make the money. We're taking profits at 20. Next on the list, ticker symbol PLTR, Palantir Technology, sitting at 2270. All right, Sunday, 2240. 2440, 2418, 2321, 2193, 2270 is starting to recover from the lows of yesterday. So let's look at ticker symbol Palantir, PLTR, Palantir Technologies. All right, looking at the 1 day chart. Here we go. Up, down, up, down. Okay, it's a reoccurring thing, baby. We're going to buy the dips and sell the rips. Okay, looking at the 5 day chart. Look, the last couple of trading days has been your gift. This is a rip starting to come. You see this trend reversal. All right, I'm gonna show you about a trend reversal right here. You see these continuing lower highs, right, or lower lows. The lower lows are no more following this trend, right? We want to try to create as many touch points as possible. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is a divergence from that low. Okay, we're back on the road to recovery, right? So guys, this is the time that you should have bought the dip, and we're going to sell a rip. These are the double up plays that I put on your radar. Again, under $24 was the sweet spot. It is still there right now. So hopefully on Friday, you still got an opportunity if you're late to the party, but if you're on time, we're going to take profits at 44. Next, I want to put on your list. This is the easiest money to put on the table for you to take during this recovery. Okay, guys, I didn't put this on your watch list, but I am in this play, and it's higher. I mean, it's lower than what I got it at. So I'm in HYLN, ticker symbol HLYN. It is currently sitting at $11. I'm in at a $15 cross average, and by golly, I'm telling you, it's a reason why you should be jumping all over this play at $11, because its 52-week low was $9.60. That's only $2 from where it is now. But its 52-week high was $58.66, okay? Which is a long way from today. So let's look at ticker symbol HYLN. All right, here we go. HYLN. All right, guys. 1 day chart, down, up, down, up. Here we go. But what I want you to see, guys, from a big perspective, just not too long ago in February, it was trading at $21. Zoom back out a little bit more. Back in November, it was at $27. Okay, even before that, it was in September, it was at $56. Okay, this is the bottom. This is the bottom. Only downside it could go theoretically is to 9, because that's been its low. I doubt if it's going to 9 because the market is about to bounce. So I expect this play to recover the same way. So HYLN, on your radar, research the company, put it in the comments. Did you do your research? Did you do your homework? I'm putting you on to something, fam. This is a company that manufactures hybrid and electric powertrains for trucks. They engages in the provision of hybrid technology to tractor trailers. And this is an American company, all right, guys? So I want you to take a look into HYLN at this price point. Consider that, because it has a long way to run in the recovery. All right, guys. I'm going to put you up on some of my movements for the day. Everything in green I bought more of on today's dip. White, I stood pat. I'm still looking to get into APTX. I was trying to hit it with a limit order. It still hasn't came to me yet, but we'll see. So guys, yes, these are the stocks I took advantage of. I'm going to sit back and sit pat now, because I'm going to sit back and watch this rip that we're about to have, and I'm going to hit these price targets, and then we're going to, move on and take that dry powder, hold that in our portfolios until the next dip comes, add in, you rinse and repeat. The W market is perfect for rinse and repeat. Okay, last on the list, YOLO stocks, YOLO stocks. I can actually do the song today and actually be happy about it, because we saw some of the biggest movements today in the market. AMC was up 21% today, baby. Oh, it was doom and gloom yesterday, but now we're back. We're back. And and the thing is, I did sell off some of my position to get in some of those plays, but I still hold a position. You don't get out, you just pivot a little bit. I'm still along for the ride. But I'm taking advantage of these dip opportunities, because in this portfolio, I'm using everyday paycheck and income money to fund. I'm not rich, and neither are most people who may watch this video. You're investing with your hard-earned money. So I'm showing you guys how I'm kind of maneuvering. When you out of the dry powder to put in, sometimes you just got to take from places winning and put that into something else. You know, that's just how I move money around. So don't be afraid to sell when you win it. That's how you get money. You put that into something else that's gonna make you more money, okay? So AMC bounced today along with the broader market, up 21%, outperforming the market on a larger scale, but not even that. Let's look at GME. GME was up 52%. 52% for the day. Oh my God. Let's look at the 6-month chart just to see where we're at. Oh, here's a rip. Here's a rip. We're going to the moon, baby. And if you like what you hear, if I put you on to something, please do me a favor. Hit that like and subscribe button. It doesn't hurt you, but it sure helps us. And thank you for sticking around for the whole video. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.